If you're looking to streamline your customer support process and bring ticketing all under one roof, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use ClickUp for customer service ticketing step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up a customizable ticketing system that helps your team save time and stay organized, and you'll have it ready to use in minutes. So let's jump in. First, head over to your ClickUp home. This is your central place for all things productivity, so having a ticketing workflow here will make it much easier to keep up with customer requests. From home, hover over to your team space. This is the dedicated area where your support team operates, so any changes you make here will affect everyone on your team. Now, here's a little trick to save even more time. Click the three dots next to your team space name. This unlocks a drop-down menu with tons of options, but what we're looking for is template. Templates are ClickUp's way of taking repetitive work and doing it for you, and for customer service, that's a real game changer. Go ahead and select Browse Template. Take a moment here, there's a lot to choose from. You'll see a search bar at the top, type in Customer Service, and you should see a collection of templates designed specifically for handling tickets, tracking requests, and managing communication with customers. If you see something that suits your workflow or matches the way your team operates, click on it to preview. Don't worry if it's not perfect right out of the gate, you'll be able to customize it soon. Once you found a template you like, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your template, and this is actually important. Pick something clear and recognizable, like customer service tickets or support desk. This makes it easier for your team to find and use the template later. Now, before you finalize it, take advantage of ClickUp's customization options. You can edit fields, add statuses that match your ticketing process, or set up automations for things like assigning tickets or tagging priority requests. For example, you might add a high priority tag for urgent customer issues or a resolved status for completed requests. This part might take a few moments, but a little extra effort here will save you hours down the road. Once you're happy with the changes, click Use Template again to finish setting it up. Remember, if you want to rename your template or tweak additional settings later, you can always come back and make adjustments. One thing to keep in mind: whenever you edit or customize your template, make sure to update any related data or fields to keep things consistent. If the status names or ticket categories change, double-check that everyone on your team knows about it, so there's no confusion when handling tickets. Here's a pro tip: try using tags or colored statuses to make urgent tickets stand out, and set up simple automation to assign incoming tickets to the right support person automatically. A little bit of setup up front means your team will spend less time sorting and more time helping customers. And that's it, you now have a complete customer service ticketing system in ClickUp, ready for your team to use. If you enjoyed this walkthrough or found it useful, give this video a like. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical ClickUp tutorials and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.